Hello. Today I'm streaming in the morning, trying something different. Um, I've already surprisingly had a lot of technical difficulties, but figured them out. But it's gonna be a short stream though. Why is it always telling me my bit rate is too low? 23,000. Oh, maybe I don't have enough bandwidth. Okay, well, so yeah, it's gonna be a short one today. Um, I wanted to stream last night, but I was too tired, and I'm mostly gonna be. Well, first let me go over what I did off stream because yeah, I'm gonna have to look into this later. Okay, off stream, I finished importing the rest of the levels. So you can see here. Oops. We have all the levels. It sort of like renders them. Oh, it does. Yeah, I don't know. It doesn't render them all at the same time. They look kind of like pixelated when you zoom out. There. But you can see that they're all here. There's a few like, because what I kind of wanted to do was, um, when I remake a game, I don't like to just do it exactly the same. So I was sort of interested. Why isn't this one rendering? I was sort of interested in doing like seamless level transitions so that it feels more like a Metroidvania. But you can see, like for example, right here. So this is the room where you fight the bat. I don't like that it's showing a tile. But then you can look at this room and it doesn't really like connect exactly. So I'm kind of thinking about adding like little maybe transitional areas between the levels, because for me that's more interesting than just it's a bit more interesting than just like, showing like a level finished screen and then loading the next level. In the real game it shows like a map. But I think I might add like a little, maybe like a single room or something between, like after you beat a boss. And some people on the Discord had an idea. It's like a rest area, so each level would have one, and in the rest area you can like look at the map, or you can maybe change your character or something. So I'm thinking about doing that, and it wouldn't be hard because the way it's set up, like in the world view of the map, like I can just like drag like this room over here. Although I'm pretty sure then I have to like individually drag every single every single room to like adjust for that. They don't have any like multi-select, so that's, oh, and there's no undo. Isn't that nice? So I would have to like, you know, manually drag every room, but it's all right. It's possible. And then I would just like insert a new one here, and I would grab tiles and like, I don't know, maybe something like that. Put some Whoops. Stairs. I don't know how to flip the top, but something like that. So I don't know. That could be kind of cool, or it could be a little bit longer. I don't know. I could add stuff to the game. I mean, the game's super short. It's only like takes 20 minutes, and if you're playing a faster character, it'd be even faster. So I don't know, something to think about, whether it's individual rooms or it's like a bit longer and adds additional content or something. I think it's something fun to explore, because when I was little, I like always wanted to go on this door, and I was like super annoyed that the game kind of like makes this door look important, because you fight the bat here and there's like these stairs leading up to it, and then you just never go on it, and I was always super mad about it. So I'm gonna remake the game, and I'm gonna go on the door, and I'm gonna make it interesting what's behind it. Let's see if I can. I'm just gonna close without saving. Set. Oh, it closed the entire. But yeah, I guess there isn't really too much else to say. This is like what the whole game looks like. Surprisingly, this when everything's lined up, the Dracula room is right next to the mummy room, which is kind of I don't know. It was just kind of interesting. I could have a secret passage that goes between them. I don't know. And then, yeah, I don't think I have too much more to say about that. Okay, I think I'm gonna close that. So what I was gonna do today, again, it's not gonna be too interesting, and this is kind of funny because when I was streaming like 2 years ago, when I was trying to start doing game dev, I did the same thing I'm going to do right now, which is I opened previous projects and I looked at them. Um, and I think when I looked at them, I realized like how overwhelming everything was, and then I stopped working on it. But this time, I'm not gonna, I'm gonna keep going. The open world, yeah, I know. I played Harmony of Despair. So yeah, I can like take a look at how they did things there, but I don't want to do it exactly the same way. When I played Harmony of Despair, I realized how small the game actually was, but it feels, big or small depending on how fast you're moving and stuff. Because I think in Harmony of Despair, you were able to like move way faster and stuff like that. And the camera, you could like zoom it out. All right, so I'm doing the same thing I did like 2 years ago, where I'm. So here's the deal. Bevy doesn't have an editor, so it does, make some things harder. So my workaround for that is to use another game engine as an editor. And it was like 5 years ago now that I was kind of starting to work on Super Mario Brothers 3, but this was just on my own, and I didn't get very far. But I did have like the project set up, and there was also like various points where I was remaking Super Mario Crossover. So like I imported like, because also Super Mario Crossover is written in Flash and the language ActionScript 3. So like it's super hard to work with just because it's super old language and it's not really maintained anymore. But I was able to like import the data out of that game into Unity. I don't personally like Unity. I kind of hate it, honestly. Um, but it's what I was using at the time, and it's the game engine that I know the best. So I like set up all this data in Unity. Um, it has like it has all the characters. Let's see if I can find a sprite sheet. Oh, I think I just yeah. So like if you look here for how do I make it? I don't remember the keyboard shortcut. Oh, there we go. So like you can look here, it already has all the sprites set up, including the pivot points, which is quite annoying to get right. That's like this little tiny circle, if you can see it. So I already, oops. So like I already have all this stuff. Oh my God, I'm like, what am I doing? I don't really remember how to move the screen. It's not space. And yeah, Godot seems awesome. I almost chose Godot. I thought about using Godot as the editor, but I don't know Godot and I already have this all set up. So it's just kind of faster to do it this way. But yeah, I would prefer to use Godot as an editor, but then I would have to take time to learn it, and I'm only doing this part time, so I don't really have time, unfortunately. And I mean, I'm hoping the Bevy editor isn't going to be that far off. Once the Bevy editor comes out, I would move everything to that. But I'm sure it's going to be like a gradual transition. But yeah, so I have this. Um, I mean, it doesn't have that much. It has the characters. I think it also has all the music set up, like all of the. Because Super Mario Crossword used emulated music, and I would prefer to use emulated music again. And like it has all the sound effects, like it has the track numbers for every sound effect, because the sound effects were also using a music emulator. So it has all this stuff. So either way, I need to get it out of this program into the game. So either way, I got to use Unity to make that happen, and I got to remember how to use C#. It's been a long time since I've used C#. So yeah, kind of the next like the next thing I want to do on the project is get stuff out of, like have a pipeline basically to get stuff out of Unity into the game. I had it working on an old project. I have like this yeah, I think I just need to set up this path and then press export. I don't know if that's gonna work. Thank you. Okay. So, and then this is the Rust side of the old project that was doing the same thing. So I think I'm gonna set up my new project the same way as this one. So I need to change some things. Oops. Let me take. Oh. Because this is actually two projects. This is the binary. Yeah. So it's all right. You can watch it later. for me, it's early. I just woke up. All right. So I do want to try to find the import code. Yeah, I don't even know. Oh, I have an import module. All right. So this is how I'm importing stuff from Unity. I have a process, or I have a thing called asset bundle. Yeah, so this all matches the Unity data that's exported. Ooh, it's gonna be, I mean, I did it before, so I'm just gonna have to I don't know if I can just copy and paste it. I don't know. I mean, Bevy has changed a lot since then too. Well, I think the first thing I need to do is, I guess I'll put that on the side. So I need to create, I guess I'm going to set it up the same way. So I'm going to make a new folder. Because I'm separating the code into a library and a binary. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. And I was calling it cross engine because it's for making crossover games. And then I want to drag Castlevania crossover inside. I'm going to have to move some of the hidden files so that let's see which ones. I guess all of them. I don't know if that's going to mess it up. I think that. And then I need to. Whoops. Okay. I need to create a workspace. I don't know if my IDE is going to freak out if I open it without a workspace. Let's see if I can just copy this one. Okay, I'm going to try opening this project after I made this change. Okay, so I need to. Wow, I was manually setting all. Man, this was the early days of Bevy, so I was manually setting. I was running off of the master branch. Yes, I'm gonna delete that. Rename this to. Wait, what was it? Yeah, okay. Man, my throat is really dry. Delete. This one I'm gonna comment. Oh. Yeah, I need to create that project. I don't know if I should just copy it. That's weird that that has its own git ignore. I think I can just... Wait, where's the... Where did my workspace go? What? It's... Oh my god, no, I got confused. Okay, I'm gonna create a new crate. I'm gonna name it, so cross... Wait. For some reason I'm calling it cross X. I don't know why. I don't know if that X is short for exploding, or maybe I just thought it sounded cool, but I'm gonna keep... Oh, it's supposed to be short for cross engine, but it's like an X instead for some reason. I don't know. Doesn't need to make sense. Okay, so I have... let's add that to the workspace. Are we compiling? Let's see. Can I... I'm not really sure why it still says glitch strikers up here. Just checking now if I can compile it. Yep. Okay, so I have the project like structure set up. So it's also kind of difficult for me to do this with a single monitor, because like usually when I'm like referencing something and then I'm like I'm trying to reference something and copy it, I would normally use two monitors, but because I'm streaming, I'm trying to put everything on one. Well, I guess the next thing would be... I guess I would want to... Yeah, I need to set up the binary to be using the library. Although there's currently like nothing in the library right now. So... I mean, the module that I am most interested in is this import module. Let me see what I have in... Man, I had so many different projects. Yeah, I'm gonna create the import module. Import. And then I'll create a directory with the same name. Super annoying that it doesn't... They still haven't fixed their IDE so that they show up in the proper order. Super annoying. Okay, let's take a look. Wait. think I'm just gonna copy this. Oh, yeah, I guess that's helpful. Oh, yeah, I should check the imports on this project. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need that. I don't know what this is for, writing to wave format. Okay, I think that looks good for now. Let's go back. I think this split screen thing is not working for me. I'm gonna do both full screen, just switch between them. Oh, so I have import modules in submodules. Okay. So all right, I'm going to create animation. Create a directory with the same name. Let's see, is it adding? Yeah, it is. Okay. Really helpful test right here. What the? That's what it does for a default library. That's annoying. Look at how it, man, there's something wrong with the sorting. It's really bothering me. Sort by, no, don't put folders always on top. What? Why is it sorting it like that? This one is sorted correctly. What is going on? This one just says sort by name. This one also says sort by name, but it's completely broken. All right, so then I'm creating a import in the animation, oops, in the animation module. Okay. Oh man. Everything is dependent on other things. Let's see. Sprite ID. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure if I can use this as is because I don't know if Bevy changed the way they handle assets. I don't know. I think I'm gonna try doing it the same way I did before, and at least it gives us a starting point. I thought I already added that. Oh shit, I put in the wrong. Wait, no, I didn't. What is it using rand for? Where is that used? It's not used. Not sure why. I'm gonna delete that because it also imported this crate, and I don't want to import a crate if I don't need it. Yeah, I think this is gonna be a long process to get this importing working. Why? There's an IDE here. Weird. Mod asset bundle. Where's that? Oh, it's under import. Okay. Oops, I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Rust file. I see. Okay. And then the other one. Oh, it's all. Why is it all commented? Component config. Okay. All right, then we need Sprite. I'm gonna have to figure out all the palette swapping. was that one? Oops. Sprite types. Let's see. Oops. Oh, this is not going to be easy. I don't know if it's easier to start with a full project and try to fix it, or I think I need to do it like piece by piece. I was trying to do the importing. There's so many references to other things. Oh, skinning. I even had skinning set up. Wow. Oops. What? Okay, that folder went in the correct place. The sorting on this is ridiculous. Why? Why are the animation import folders up here, but then these folders are down here? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, we need an import file. Copy. App skin. I don't think I want to worry about that right now. Well, right now I just want to try to get stuff to compile, but everything is referencing other stuff, so I don't know how hard this is gonna be. So I have a plugin for each contender. Contender is just like character that you can play as. Unknowns. Oh, not Not sure what that is. Let's not worry about that. Wrapped hash map. What the hell's that? It's not even here. Utils. Oh. What? Use Bevy Utils hash map as a wrapped hash map. That doesn't make any sense to me. I just do hash map. Skinnable sprite. Oops. I need to get off soon. You're waiting for Godot? Didn't Godot? What do you mean? It's already out. Wait, where was that? Sprite index type. I think I need to copy this. Index map. What is that? Hash table where the iteration order is independent of the hash values for the keys. Oh, so it's like an ordered hash map. Okay. Wonder what I needed that for. Oh. It's so that the skins. Well, I'm not even really doing that right now. Main skins. Yeah. Oops. That was Super Mario 3. Oh, this is... Oh, I even have a project. Kind of curious. What? Oh. I see. Oh. So it looks like I had skins working with this. But I think it would be pretty hard to do skinning for Castlevania because there's no like 16-bit skin. So I would rather just ignore that for now, but it's already set up. Where do I... Just trying to look at... Oh, this is it. Alright, the skins are set here. Yeah, I don't really want to mess with this right now. Why is that? Wait, where'd it go? I thought I added that. What? Why isn't this working? Two 2.71. Okay. I need to leave in like 5 minutes because I gotta go to the gym. Core. Oh, contender. Gonna add a folder for that. Okay. import and core. Contender ID, where's that one? Oh. I'm gonna comment everything for now. Debug name, what the hell is that? Oh. I guess that's useful. Core. Where's... Oh, the sorting is so bad. I said... Let's see if I change the ordering and then change it back, if it fixes it. Oops. That is, look at this. This is not sorted by name. This is like sorted by just random. Like, let's randomly put these folders up here and then. So weird. Let me finish what I was doing. Types. Okay. It didn't actually add it. Why? Why does it say it's gonna add it and then it doesn't? Is that how you spell it? Okay. Come on. BV. The hell is that? Oh, Bitvec. Guess I can add that. Thanks for checking in, Dano. It's good to know people, I don't know, still interested after all this time. .11.1. All right, I have to log off because I need to go to the gym. So today was a super short one. Just wanted to, I don't know, check in. But yeah, the next phase is basically me trying to get my old code working of connecting Bevy to the Unity editor so that I can use that as an editor since Bevy doesn't have an editor. Thanks. Well, it's been, I released Super Mario Crossover in 2010, so it's like 14. Wait, it's 2025 now, isn't it? 15 years. Yeah, long time. But yeah, I'm just gonna be working on getting this working. I'll probably be doing some of it off stream, and then I don't know, I'll check in when I can. And if you want more detailed information, you can follow development on the Discord, which is linked from the description. All right. Thanks for watching. See ya.